Welcome back to the final part of our Los Angeles walking tour. Today we step off the beaten path to explore the hidden gems and the rich cultural mosaic that defines the true soul of this city. Our first stop is Little Tokyo, a historic district that has been the heart of the Japanese-American community for over a century. The Japanese Village Plaza is a peaceful oasis of culture and commerce. Just a few blocks away, the Arts District is a living gallery. Once an industrial hub, it's now home to some of the world's most impressive street art and creative spaces. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. We love sharing these hidden corners of LA with you. In the heart of the historic core, we find the Last Bookstore. Housed in a grand old bank building, it's a labyrinth of literature and art that feels like stepping into a dream. The Bradbury Building is an architectural treasure. Its modest exterior hides a spectacular interior court that has served as a backdrop for countless films. For a hidden natural retreat, we head to the Exposition Park Rose Garden. This sunken garden is a quiet, fragrant haven right next to the city's great museums. The Watts Towers are a testament to individual creativity. Built over 33 years by one man, these unique structures are now a National Historic Landmark. Vista Hermosa Natural Park offers one of the best-kept secret views of the city skyline, providing a peaceful green space just moments from the skyscrapers. Greystone Mansion is a stunning estate with a storied past. Its public gardens offer a glimpse into the opulence of old Hollywood luxury. In Pacific Palisades, the Lake Shrine is a place of profound peace. This beautiful sanctuary welcomes visitors of all faiths to reflect amidst its gardens. Known as the Glass Church, Wayfarer's Chapel is a stunning blend of nature and architecture, perfectly integrated into the coastal cliffs of Palos Verdes. Our journey takes us to San Pedro to see the Korean Bell of Friendship. Perched on a hill overlooking the harbor, it stands as a symbol of peace and international goodwill. The Huntington Library and Botanical Gardens is a world-class institution. Its Japanese garden is a masterpiece of landscape design, offering a moment of zen. From historic streets to secret gardens, Los Angeles is a city of endless discovery and incredible diversity. Thank you for joining us on this three-part tour of Los Angeles. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Until next time,